Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. This is Whole30 week 3 Aldi style. Alrighty you guys, so welcome back to another video. So the kids and I, we have shifted keto, Whole30, keto, Whole30. Totally two different lifestyles, y'all, because I miss cheese. Can I just have cheese? Would somebody let me have cheese, please? Cheese, anybody? But you know what? I feel so much better. I mean, I didn't feel bad on keto, but there's regularity. That's all I'm saying. Go with that where you want to go, because there it is. Anywho, we shopped at Aldi this week. I actually did a Google search for Whole30 items at Aldi, because it's either Aldi or Walmart. I wanted to really go to a place where I could get good veggies this week, because we have some meat. We have chicken, we have some fish. We have chicken, fish, we have some ribs, we have ground beef. I think that's what we have. So I was trying to really just get veggies this week, and I think I got some good stuff. I had $40 for groceries, then someone sent me $30, a friend of mine sent me $30, bless my life. And then I took some parts back to an auto store that I didn't need to use, because that was not the problem with the car. So I took those parts back and I got $17 and some change. So I had $82 in cash. My bill was $90. So before the lady would let me tell her I have 82 and I'll put the rest on my card, she already cashed me out. So she just said, don't worry about it. I don't know how she's going to fix all of that, but thank the Lord for the blessing. So let me jump in and share with you what I picked up, and then meal plan, possibly. Some thoughts on meals. How about that? Alrighty, y'all. So I picked up a couple things just for Jackson. Jackson likes these pretzel peanut butter filled things, $4.29. These peanut butter crackers were 79 cents. So I picked those up for Jackson. So I was looking for, I don't necessarily, but my kids like sauce or something they can put on top of their meal, what have you. I do like salsa. Oh, I meant to get thin. I don't like chunky salsa, but whatever. Okay. I like salsa on eggs. So I picked up this Casa Mamita mild chunky salsa that was on the list. I also picked up this Berman's hot sauce, which it said this was a Frank's dupe, a dupe for Frank's, which is Whole30. And I'm going to use this with these chicken wings. This was $1.99. These were like $7.99. So we're going to make buffalo wings. This is a 2-pound pack of tilapia with $6.09. Picked up some extra virgin olive oil. That was, or just olive oil. That's not extra virgin. I don't have my glasses on, y'all. That was two and something. I can't remember. Picked up some sunflower kernels roasted, unsalted. A recipe that I have calls for these. They were $2.25. Bone broth. I picked up the beef and the chicken, the Simply Nature, $2.99 each. A little pricey, but yeah, I might need to have this just as a, you know, sip on it at night to keep me from trying to snack. Unsweetened almond milk original was $1.89. Spinach was $1.19. These sweet potatoes, I actually picked up 2 bags of sweet potatoes. The kids really like sweet potatoes in the oven. I liked them as well. They were $2.49, so 2 for $5. This Never Any, this is no sugar, hickory smoked uncured bacon. This was on the list. And again, I Googled it. So, you know, if I didn't get it 100% perfectly right, it was on the list. This was $4.99. So we haven't had bacon. We're going to actually prep this tonight. Picked up red potatoes. Now, I have not had potatoes in over 3 years until I had those sweet potato fries the other day. We're going to do the red potatoes and the sweet potatoes at the same time using the same seasoning, and just put some in the oven. So we're prepping this tonight. Picked up nectarines. They were $1.99. It was a good price. I should have got 2 of those. Nectarines were like $2 and some change. I can't even remember. But the kids wanted a different. They didn't want bananas this week, so I got them that. I like cantaloupe. Jackson likes cantaloupe. This was $1.89. $89, $79, somewhere in there. Alana asked for these little cutie things. They were $2.99. Spaghetti squash, they were small, but they were 99 cents a pound. Picked up Gala apples for Jackson. Also picked up these mini cucumbers. Gala apples were $2 and something. These were $2.19. Grape tomatoes, I picked up 3 cartons of those because we roast those in the oven using olive oil and then Italian type seasonings, and we use those with eggs. So I am going to get that in the oven. So this is going into the oven. Bacon's going in the oven, and I think we're also going to do green beans. They were $1.69 or 99. I can't remember. I got 2 bags. We're going to slow roast the beans. This Black Angus unseasoned beef patties, they were on the list, but they were actually like $7.99, a little pricey to me. And then cabbage was 65 cents a pound. We also picked up a thing of paper plates. Next time I go out, I do have to get toilet paper and paper towels because I haven't picked those up in weeks. But that's because we have some on hand and there seems to be a good supply in the store. So, but I don't want to get lax on that because you never know. Stuff be going out the store like crazy. So anyway, everything here from Aldi was $90.40. Like I said, I had $82.40 in cash. She had already hit cash before I could say, hey, I need to pay the rest on my card. And she just told me not to worry about it. So praise God again for the blessing. Then I went over to Walmart because I have to have a food processor because some of the recipes do call for you to, use a food processor. We've been using our blender, but that's not the best. And this is the Black & Decker one. It was $29. So I just picked that up until I can either find the part that I need for mine. And we're actually going to hand wash this. It says dishwasher safe, but I'm not taking any chances. We'll just hand wash this part because that's what warped on my other one. The bowl. So there that is. I'm going to pull a couple recipes and let you guys see what I'm thinking for the week. Alrighty, you guys. So here was my grocery list. I actually just wrote it out on a couple of sticky notes. And I got the salsa. I got the Black Angus burgers. And again, remember, I just Googled it. I wasn't doing anything great or grandiose. Just Googled Whole30 list from Aldi. I got the Never Any Bacon. I got that ×2. Got the bone broth, the chicken broth. I was looking for a pineapple poblano guacamole. Now, I'm not a guacamole person, but I was thinking that might be something I might like to try, or at least Jackson, because he likes stuff like that, and we have carrots. So we didn't find that, and I still haven't found tahini because I was going to try to make that cauliflower hummus. I did get the hot sauce. I didn't find artichoke hearts, which I was looking for, or coconut oil spray. I did get sweet potatoes and white potatoes, almond milk. I did not get cauli rice. I got nectarines, apples. I did not see coffee creamer. I have to get that from Harris Teeter. Grape tomatoes I got. So there's just a couple things on the list that I did not get, and I'll write them on my regular list over here. So as far as meals, I'm going to pull some of these recipes to see. This is called the Sweet Potato Whole30 Breakfast Bowl. We might try this. You're going to need, of course, a baked sweet potato, and then you do eggs and bananas, and to steam your sweet potato Instant Pot. You wash it hot, straight from the oven, reheat it. Sweet potato and the eggs. So you kind of make it like a mash, I guess. I don't know that I would mash mine. Anyway, sweet potato Whole30 breakfast bowl. We'll see about that one. Tonight, I do have some chicken thighs thawing out, and I'm going to do this grilled pineapple chicken, the one that Jackson and I did the other night on the grill, although we should have a little bit more light because it is daylight savings time. So we're going to do that one. Then there was another one. I just had it. It was a buffalo wing one. I can't figure out where it is. But I'm actually going to do the Whole30 ketchup again. So we'll do the ketchup. Oh, here it is. Baked buffalo chicken drummies. That's what it's called. Baked buffalo chicken drummies. And this came from wholekitchensink.com. wholekitchensink.com. And I'm going to need chicken drumsticks. I'm going to use that Burman sauce, ghee, garlic, and salt and pepper. So pretty easy. I do have to get those wings in some water though so they can thaw. What else do I have? I don't have anything for egg roll in a bowl. Hash browns. Might do hash browns. Maybe. I wanted to try this chicken pot pie. This Whole30 chicken pot pie. And this came from 40aprons.com. I really want to try this. So I'm going to see how my chicken thighs come out. If I have any left, then I'll make this in the Instant Pot. It calls for chicken breast. We can use thighs, ghee, onions, carrots, celery, potatoes, chicken broth, coconut cream, cashews, thyme, salt, black pepper, sage. This should be lovely. So I'm going to get these chicken thighs cleaned, and then I'm going to try that one. So that'll be one for this week. We're probably just going to have eggs mainly for breakfast because that's quick and easy. I may do some hard-boiled eggs for like snacks in the Instant Pot because somebody recommended that. And then we have the burgers. We can do the Angus burgers. We can do bunless burgers, of course, using just the burgers, and then whatever we want to put on top of it. Any veggies or what have you. I'm probably going to do greens this week because we haven't had greens in a while. We do have the green beans. We're going to do the grape tomatoes. We are going to do sweet potato fries and regular red potato fries. What else is going in the oven? Roasted green beans are going in the oven. Can't remember. We'll probably have fish with green beans or something like that later on in the week. But anywho, it's Wednesday, so my week starts on Wednesday because that's the day I go to the grocery store. So we'll see how it all works out. But we're going to do a separate meal prep video just because sometimes the grocery haul video just gets really long if I'm meal prepping as well. So that's kind of, these are the recipes we're sticking with for this week. Again, that's the healthy chicken pot pie, the baked buffalo chicken drummies, the ketchup, the pineapple grilled chicken. We do have a pineapple that I got from Walmart. And then the sweet potato breakfast bowls, since I have 2 bags of sweet potatoes. So that's kind of, and then some fish. I'm sure we'll throw some fish in. Because fish is easy and it doesn't take a lot to defrost. So anywho, you guys, there it is. If you like the video, be sure and thumb it up. Let me know what you're doing on Whole30. Or if you have done it before and what were your results. You guys felt good this morning. I put on a belt for my pants because they were falling down. And so I was able to put the loop into the 3rd hole, which, you know, they're pretty like those, they're decorative loop holes, but I could get it to the 3rd one today. I felt great about that. I was like, okay, Shakema, live your best life. Which I am. So anywho, Alana's still doing really well. I have not weighed. I will not weigh till April the 4th. When I last weighed in for keto for the Biggest Loser Challenge at school, I weighed in at 192.2. So I will not weigh again until April the 4th. And then we'll see how we're looking by April the 4th. Tomorrow I have a dentist appointment. I actually did something. I don't know what it is. I scalded the roof of my mouth, either with coffee or something I was eating. And it is burned at the top of my, like directly up in the top of my mouth. And so it's been difficult to eat right yet. But I'm praying that that healing will come. Y'all pray for me. So anywho, there it is, you guys. If you like the video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't, share this video if you feel like it's shareable. We appreciate you. We'll see you next time. Bye now.